Hello friends, in this video I will show how to calculate the ratio of two numbers in Microsoft Excel. So you want to use this formula equal sign. Now type this formula equal sign, select this cell, divide by GCD. Now select both, closing bracket and quotation and colon quotation. Now select this cell blue one. So before it you need again quotation and now select this blue one. And now select this blue one, divide by GCD. Now select both, closing bracket. Now press enter. So this way you can calculate the ratio between two numbers and you can drag and drop. So select it and drag and drop like this. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel. Yeah.